Appliance Repair Service in OKC. Appliance Repair OKC Services offers quick, local and professional appliance repair services. Service on refrigerators, washer and dryers, freezers, ovens, garbage disposals, dishwashers, ice makers and HVAC. Has your refrigerator or freezer quit cooling like it should? Clothes dryer now just running, not heating up? We are here to help you. Our technicians are factory trained and are well equipped with parts to meet all appliance service calls. We offer same-day service and phones are answered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Service areas: Norman, Moore, Oklahoma City, Mustang, Yukon, Del City, Midwest City, Bethany, Edmond, Arcadia and all of the greater Oklahoma City metropolitan area. Remember, service call is free with repair. Services available 24/7. Appliance Repair OKC. Providing trustworthy appliance service to the Oklahoma City area. Dryer not so hot? Does your refrigerator need a little TLC? Appliance Repair OKC Services has been in business for over 45 years. We service Oklahoma City, Edmond, Norman, Moore, Yukon, Mustang, Piedmont, Bethany, War Acres, Midwest City, Del City, Oklahoma City Metro and the surrounding areas. With North and South OKC locations, our team of appliance repair experts will arrive at your doorstep quickly. Call us today for fast, professional, 24-hour and emergency appliance repair service. The award-winning experts at Appliance Repair OKC Services comes to you and will repair all brands of appliances. Some of our awards include 2004 Repair Service of the Year, 2006 Repair Service of the Year, 2009 Repair and Customer Service of the Year. We offer a 1-year parts and labor warranty. Call today at 405-378-4566 or on the web at https://www.okcappliance.com or on Google at https://okcappliance-appliancerepairservice.business.site/.